Some of the features that we tried to design into the classroom were really to create both a flexible learning space, but one that's also technology supportive. So we wanted students to be able to come into a space and negotiate how they wanted to interact with each other and the instructor at the time.
It's just so customizable. They have the rolling tables, they have the rolling whiteboards, and allow students to really use the space flexibly.
This classroom has a lot of cool, unique features. There's whiteboards on all 3 walls in the front, so kids really have a chance to look at all of them. And there's also 2 big TVs in the front that really help you kind of see your lecture notes and stuff while the professor is going over practice problems around the room.
One thing that I really like is that the tables do have outlets. Being able to have a place where I can charge my laptop and work on it all period is amazing, and that's something that we don't really have available in a lot of our classrooms.
It's been really great using this classroom with all of the features. I'm a big proponent of active learning, where you really engage the students not only with yourself, but with one another.
And that really helps facilitate the learning in the classroom because it allows students to work together and move the tables together and form groups.
Having the space is great, but really training teachers how to teach in that kind of space, how to train our TAs how to teach in that kind of space has been the more invaluable part of the Learning Studio.
In this learning style, they actually have accountability to their partners, and it creates this morale and this desire to not let each other down, kind of.
It's really, really easy to be able to turn to your neighbor and just ask them a question, because the professor obviously doesn't mind if you're collaborating. He actually has think, pair, share, where you think for a couple seconds, you pair up with people around you and you move and you get into groups, and then you guys all come up with an answer or something that you want to present to the whole class.
So from my perspective, I've definitely seen an improvement in student responses and the clarity and quality of their response. And I think in some ways, I would like to believe that's a reflection of what we're doing in the classroom here.
You literally just feel like you're learning better because it's active learning.